Easily open ClonBrowser in just 3 steps to help you succeed. Open the ClonBrowser website, click Download, select the version that suits your computer to download. Please go to this video for Mac installation details. After the download is complete, open it and register. Enter the email, receive the verification code, set the password. Fill in the invitation code. Select the service agreement. Complete the registration. Our customer service staff can be added through various channels to provide you with exclusive after-sales service. Log into the account and go to the home page. The new browser profile requires an IP proxy. First, click on Proxy to make a purchase. Click New Browser to customize the parameters and add the proxy. Go to this video for more information. Click Create Profile to complete. Click Launch to start your journey to success. If you have any questions, welcome to contact our customer service.